This is the review for question number 1 in your review packet. Turn to question number 1. Which type of clouds are called fog when they are near the ground? So I am trying to remember back to when we talked about fog. Well, what do I know about fog? I know when I get up in the morning, fog seems to be everywhere on the ground. It's very hard to see through. We talked about how fog can cause accidents because it's very thick and tough to see through. Now I'm going to go back and look at my 3 choices. Cirrus clouds, made of ice. Stratus clouds, blanket sky. And cumulus clouds are on a fair day and they look like, puffy cotton balls. I can go ahead and tell you now that cirrus clouds are made of ice because they are formed so high in the atmosphere, and I know that fog forms, as it says in the question, near the ground. I can therefore eliminate cirrus clouds. That is not my answer. Now I have to ask, does fog seem like a blanket, or does fog seem like a puffy cotton ball? It seems to me it's more like a blanket. It blankets the ground. It's hard to see through. And the best answer is B. Fog is a stratus cloud near the ground.